Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Battlefield 6 and you keep getting this error, connection failed with error code 18601S 5102S, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying connection failed error on Battlefield 6 easily. So first of what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for Cloudflare WAP here, and then you're going to go on to this link from developers.cloudflare.com. You're going to go ahead and download latest stable release here. Just go ahead and download the software, and once it's done downloading, you can go ahead install it. After installing it, go ahead and open up the software, and once you're done opening it, now you're going to go on to this settings icon. You're going to make sure you have 1.1.1.1 with WAP enabled and just click connect on here. And once you click connect, it will change your DNS server to the Cloudflare DNS. And after it's done connected, now you can go ahead and play Battlefield 6. You will not get that connection failed error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.